Assalamualaikum and good day. I am Hakim, the 4th year student of Biomedical Engineering, taking the course Medical Image Analysis. In this short video, I will be explaining about the breast cancer app framework that I did using the apps designer in MATLAB. But the first thing, why the breast cancer? For your information, breast cancer is one of the most cancer cases reported in Malaysia, which is our main concern. In this study, I got 3 images of the mammogram for the breast. So I would like to analyze and create an app that allows us to detect whether the patient have a breast cancer or not. Without further ado, we'll see the workflow or the flowchart about our apps. The first thing that we do is to load and extract the image of the mammogram. Then we are trying to processing it like binarize or filter and so on. And we try to segmentation, which is to pinpoint the exact lesion or not. And we try to extract features so it can classify it, and we input it into the apps. So the flow of the processing of the image is we do the median filter, then equalization and quantization. Next, for the segmentation, we try to clear the object at the border and we want to remove the small particles. Then we use the closing technique and filling the hole if any. And lastly, we input all the coding in the apps after we design the apps. Next, I will show about my apps of the breast cancer classification. This is the UI or the user interface when we open the apps. In order to do the classification, first we need to pick an image. So I pick an image like MDB008 that I got, and it shows the original image. Then we click the median filter to do the median filter on the image, and it will come out like this. And the segmentation, it will do like removing the particles, removing object at the borders, and it will show the results. And when we click the classification, it will show our classification for this patient image, and the classification of this image is normal. So the comment here is this patient is healthy. Great. Then we can pick another image. Like I will pick the MDB0025, and the image will come out like this. Then we do the filter, the segmentation, and the classification, and it shows the patient has a benign lesion. And the comment is, oh no, this patient has breast tumor. So to ease the job, we can click the reset button and we reset all the output, and we can pick the third image, and it shows like this. We do the filter, we do the segmentation and classification, and it shows that this patient has malignant with the roundness, perimeter, and area shown. And to reset, just click reset button and close to close. Last but not least, in the conclusion, from this study, I able to learn that the data that I got earlier, which is MDB008, MDB025, and MDB264, are all different. The first is normal, second is benign tumor, and lastly is the malignant tumor. Next is I able to understand the image processing procedures and steps in order to detect the lesion in the mammogram image and decide the feature to differentiate between the malignant and benign tumor. Last is I able to learn how to design an apps that able to function well with our coding previously and give an output that we want using app designer in MATLAB. That's all from me. Thank you for watching.